can go wrong. Oh, the highway, the highway, the cheating.
Hi, Lucy. Well, beautiful day for a picnic. Yep, we're off to the park. See y'all later.
Nothing can stop us now. We're in any trouble. Oh no!
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure, Goofy, why not? Sounds like fun.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
And we are going to the side where the additional assistance was available. Means you get loaded in a separate car, and then you join the track later with everybody else.
Double check really quickly. Can everyone push them on the lap? Perfect. We'll get you going in just a moment.
Hi! What's that? Hi! Right?
Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Yep!
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mick and Mim. Wait, what could possibly go wrong?
Oh no!
I must have hit that track switch!
Uh-oh. Whoa! Okay. Bye-bye. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls!
Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
That's where I hit it all but no. Hope you had a relaxing time, and thanks for riding around the park with me. Now, how do you stop one of these things? I'll just check my trusty man. Let's see. Oh, oh, ow, ow. Guess I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. Hope you don't have any other plans. Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally make it. We've had one crazy ride, but with you by my side, those stars will be on the guide, and nothing can stop us now. Those stars will be on the guide, and nothing can stop us
Hiya, Pluto.
Nothing can stop us now.
Gosh, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long!
Right.